at that bad boy right there. Look at that. Sounds great. Still got to put the other fairings on, but I'm just going to take it out for a ride. See how it feels. This is actually my first ride since September. I haven't been on it at all since after the crash, so let's see if I still remember how to ride. Holy shit. This is crazy. The throttle on it is so more responsive after putting this M4 exhaust on it. I actually have to get used to riding it again. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm just trying to get my bearings straight. Again, it's been, like I said, it's been, the last time I rode was when I got into that, when I put it down, when the bike slipped out under me. That was the last time I rode, and that was the end of August. So, not gonna get too crazy. I know the F1 light is on. I gotta see if I can get that off. I know it's from the oxygen sensor, the O2 sensor. So there's a couple tricks to relieve that. And I think one of them is from using a resistor. So I'm gonna try that and see how that works. But man, I could totally feel the difference in this bike. Without the catalytic converter, man, it's crazy. It's very torquey. I actually feel the power in the low range and the mid range. Well, I haven't really reached the mid range yet, so. And the exhaust sounds amazing. Rumble. Sounds pretty cool. A lot of traffic out here right now. Kids are getting off from school, and then people like this lady just running stop signs. See how it feels on the parkway. Difference. It is crazy how much difference it feels. I feel like another rider. I feel like it would just get up and go. Just lift up on me, the front end lift up on me real quick. Oh my god, it's actually a little scary. I'm not even going that fast. Get off at my exit. That's enough for me, really. Well, hope you enjoyed this little ride. I'm headed back in. Bring it back up to the house. A lot of loose gravel on the road too. Gotta be careful. A lot of loose gravel. Want to slide out. But it feels, the handling is amazing. Man. Keep it out here for a little bit, show it off. All right, well, there it is. Got to clean her up. There's the M4 looking nice, looking all shiny on the carbon fiber, looking good.